Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a stand mixer. You can see the one that we got right here from this brand, and this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So you see there's a lot of different parts inside, but it's all well protected. Let's take everything out first. So first thing inside, they provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it, and they also show you guys what is actually included in this set. But once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. You can see it's all nicely wrapped up, but let's take out the wrapper first. So once you guys take out the wrapper, you can see there's another wrapper for all the products inside. So I'm actually just take off all the wrappers first, and then we'll take out each different part to show you guys what is actually included. So when you guys take out the mixing bowl right here, there's a bunch of stuff. Let's see what's inside right here first. So the first thing inside, they provide you guys this mixer option. So I'm going to insert it inside right here, and I'll show you guys how to actually use it. Next one that we got right here, we have this accessory. And top right here is where you guys want to insert it onto the actual mixer, and I'll show you guys how to install it in a second. And the last head is right here. So this is what the last head looks like. So if you guys are curious about what each one of these are for, they do provide you guys instruction in the instruction manual. So you see on this page in the instruction manual, they do provide you guys instruction to teach you guys what each one is for. And when you guys view the quality that's on each one of these accessories, it is pretty high quality. I believe it's like a type of like stainless steel material or something. And right here we do have like a protection layer. So we have to take it out. This is what the inside looks like. You can see the bowl that's on here definitely looks like a high quality stainless steel material, and it is pretty big. They mentioned the bowl that's on here is 8.5 quart, and I love how they actually have the handle on both sides, so that way you can carry around really easily. And then right here we do have the actual mixer. So this is where you guys want to insert each one to the head. This section right here is where you're going to put in the bowl. Right here they provide you guys the cables where you have to plug in to activate it. Right here we do have a knob for you to unlock it, so that way you can unlock this part right here to raise it up. Right here we do have the brand logo, and then right here we do have the knob where you adjust the different power that's on here. So if you guys notice on the switch or the knob right here, there's different speed level. So right here there's a P, and that is pulse mode, so I don't use that in short intervals. And then everything right here is different speed. So we have 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 is the maximum that's on here. And you can see on the bottom we do have the suction cup, so that way when you guys put it onto the table, it actually will hold it in place and prevent it from like moving around when you guys are using it to beat stuff or mix stuff. So that is what the stand looks like. There is one more accessory that's in the package, and basically what this is the lid. So let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the lid looks like, and here's the other side. So that is everything that's included in the product. Let me set it up to show you guys what the product looks like once you guys do fully set it up, and then we'll test it out. Alright, so I have all the different parts that's on here. Before I actually plug it in to show you guys how it works, I want to show you guys how to set everything up. So the way how you guys put each one of the heads on is actually very simple. First thing you guys want to do is pull this lever or this switch right here, and then pull it up. Once this part goes up, then you guys are ready to actually set everything up. So let's say I want to use this head. What you're going to do is make sure it fits perfectly like this. Push it all the way up, and then turn a certain way until it locks in. Once you guys lock it in, then you guys are all set. And if you guys want to take it off, push it up and turn it back the other way, and you take it off really easily. Same thing for other ones. Push it up, turn it, lock it, and you guys all set. Repeat the same step to take it off. Push it up, turn it the other way, take it out. Same thing for the last one. Push it up, lock it up, then it's all set. So for this test, I'm gonna keep this one right here. Before I put the bowl in, I want to put this one first. So the way how you guys set this one up is actually very simple. You guys want to take this one off first, and then you want to insert this in. If you guys notice, there's 3 different parts on here to actually prevent it from like slipping off. So what you're going to do is put it inside like this. Make sure it goes all the way in on all 3 sides. Once you guys do that, you guys can put the bowl inside and make sure it locks in by twisting it. Alright, so that should be good. So once you guys have that in, you guys can put this part inside. It only fits one way. Alright. So once you guys got that all set up, you guys can close it back up like this. And it's all set to start using it. So I'll move these on one side for now since we don't need it. And if you guys notice on top part for the lid, there's this little hole for you to put stuff if you guys want to. So while you guys are mixing stuff, beating stuff, you guys can actually add more stuff in here if you guys want to. And like I mentioned, for the product, it does have a suction cup in the bottom, so that way it prevents the product from moving around. But it won't work on all kind of surface. It only works on any kind of surface that's compatible with suction cups. So the mat that I have right here won't work, because when you guys try to move around, it still moves. But for the material that's on the table right here, if I move it to the back, if I push it down, the suction cup does work. So if I try to move it, you guys can hear how strong the suction cup is on here. So when you guys actually use it, it won't move around. So that is everything that's on the product in terms of how to set it up and how to use it. Now I'm just plugging the cable to show you guys how it works. So you can see once you do plug it in, a blue light pops on right here. So that means ready to start using it. And the way how you guys use it is just by turning the speed level on here. So let's say I want to use it on 1. You guys can hear the product definitely does work. Let me actually bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the inside looks like when you guys turn on speed level 1. Let's try speed level 2. So that's speed level 2. Let's try speed level 3. Speed level 4. Speed level 5. And speed level 6. So you can see the product definitely does work and it is pretty powerful, especially if you guys turn on speed level 6. If you guys noticed when recording the product while it was on speed level 6, the whole entire table was shaking, but if you guys noticed the product didn't move at all because of the suction cup that's in the bottom holding it in place. So this is what the overall product looks like in terms of how to use it. You can see it's actually really powerful and it definitely does work. If you guys do want to remove everything out, you guys want to repeat the same step. Pull the lever up, take off all the different parts on here, and it's all set. So you see the whole setup process and put in weight process is actually pretty easy and very simple. Alright, welcome back guys. So next, a quick test the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. If you can see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. Once you guys insert the bowl and all the different heads on here, depending on what you guys want to use, you guys can plug in the cable and start using it. And if you guys notice when we actually use the product, it is pretty powerful, especially when you guys turn the high speed level. So depending on what you guys are using it for, you guys will adjust it based on your own preference. And also if you guys notice the one that we got right here, it is a black color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. And the cool thing about all the different parts that's on here, like the different head and the bowls, they are stainless steel. So it's really easy for you to clean it. And I love the way how they actually have a suction cup in the bottom of the product to actually hold it down and prevent the product from moving around when you guys actually use it. But that is everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable stand mixer that has the same design that's on here and everything else that's included in this set. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.